Hello! Imagine you could just enter a VIN and instantly see exactly which parts are installed in a vehicle. My name is Boris from ProDevelop. With our new VIN2Parts software, that's exactly what you can do. It allows you to quickly identify the actual parts fitted in a vehicle and then use that information for further processing. Let me give you a quick look at how easy it is to use. Once you've logged in, simply enter the VIN here and click Search. The vehicle will be automatically identified and displayed right away. You can then choose whether you want to view parts from specific assemblies or see all available parts for the vehicle. I'll just select all for now. It'll take a moment to generate the list as the data is retrieved live from the system, and here we already have the result. Now I can easily export the list. This gives me an Excel file with the OE part number, description and manufacturer pricing. From here I can seamlessly continue working with the data. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you soon.